Hey guys, this is Christopher with Nevada Money Mentors, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a credit card. Right now, I am on the Credit Karma app. It is a free app to use, and they do make money by basically helping you find credit cards, private lenders, stuff like that. So right now, I am on their Find a Card page. And I would actually recommend for your first card this Discover IT card. The reason I would recommend that this card is because it has great cash back, but ultimately it does not have an annual fee, and that's going to be huge. You can use this card to build your credit without literally paying any money, as long as you pay that interest off that balance off before the end of each month, so you do not accrue interest. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply for this card. Okay, just entering my zip code. We're going to obviously blur my social security number. There's my birthday. Okay, here's some card designs. I actually already have this card, so we're going to try to apply again. I have this gold card. Okay, it's going to ask you for basic information, where you live, your social security number. Let's actually assume I am a college student, and let's go ahead and put that I am only spending about $1,000 a month on housing. And let's go ahead and say I'm working and earning $15 an hour full-time, which would come out to about $31,200 a year. That's a good little calculation you guys can use. So yeah, let's assume I'm you guys. Let's say I have both checking and savings accounts. I'm going to use my UNR email address. Okay, so I already have this credit card, so I know there won't be any surprises. This is going over very important information, such as your annual percentage rate, or APR. You can think of this as your interest rate that they will charge you if you carry a balance over to the next month. But I don't think that's too important because, as you guys know, I want you guys to pay off that balance before that interest accrues. It's going to give you some information about when the due date is for your credit card, so very important. Usually if you just pay that off before the end of the month, you should be fine. No maintenance fees. If you wanted to balance transfer, there are fees. Late payments, how your balance is calculated, very, very basic information. Credit line, it usually shows you what your credit line is based on your employment status, your debt to income ratio, and then also, your income. Okay, some other reward information. So up to 5% cash back. I can testify to the cash back on this card. And we will go over that on their app. That is another big reason I recommend this card. And it has a very streamlined, useful app that is very easy to use. Free overnight card replacement, which is great. And this is going to run a soft credit check as well. Okay, it wants me to enter my total or my whole social security number. We will obviously edit this out. And let's say I actually work at, yeah, let's say I work at a gas station. And maybe I decrease my monthly housing. I would say you guys probably on average pay about 800 if you're renting a room or just having roommates and stuff like that. So let's submit it based on this information. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're still on the Discover Card website, so you're obviously not being scammed. Just waiting to see the results of that. Okay, perfect. So I was actually approved for this credit card, even though I already have it. So that is useful information. It's showing that I have a 3,000 credit line, and I just have to scroll down and basically just agree to the terms and services and sign off. That should be sent to me within 3 to 5 business days. Once I receive my card in the mail, then I just activate that card and you should be all set. Hey guys, so now I'm on the Discover Card app and I'm going to show you how useful it is, how easy it is. So I'm going to sign in here with my fingerprint. I guess they have all my information anyway, so might as well give them my fingerprint too. So let's go ahead and sign in. You can also sign in without your fingerprint. Alright, so this is the main page. It's going to show you your current balance, your recent activity, and some other useful information. So I actually have a credit line on this credit card for $4,000. As you can see, the available credit. I would never encourage you guys to utilize that full amount. You want to keep that, below 30%, which we will go over in, the coming presentation. Shows you your recent payments using, cash back if you have utilized that option. It will usually show you your credit score right now, but because it just ran my credit, it looks like it's not showing me that right now, so that might just be loading. But yeah, here is how you pay bills. You can freeze your account, set up reoccurring charges if you want to set up your rent payments on that. But obviously we practice what we preach, so I paid off my credit card statement before the end of the month. And yeah, I usually keep that below, usually like $100. That is the most I've ever used for 1 month. So yeah, keep that balance low, pay it off each month. You don't have to pay interest, and you don't have to worry about double paying. Obviously, it will show that alert just now. If you have already paid, you don't have to worry about paying twice. And as you can see, I'm earning cash back. So that $27.40, that was subtracted from what I actually had to pay. So that's always nice. So yeah, guys, I would recommend this Discover IT card, and let us know if you guys have any questions.